Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a coupon code for your Etsy store. I will also be covering the three main benefits of using coupon codes to help you increase your Etsy sales the right way. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos that I upload to the channel. So let's head over to my computer to get started. All right, so here we are on my computer. And when you are ready to create your Etsy coupon code, make sure that you're logged in to the actual Etsy shop that you're working with in case you have multiple stores. Now, once you're in here, all you need to do is click on Shop Manager. From there, you're going to click on Marketing, Sales and Coupons, and you're going to click on New Special Offer. Now, it's going to give you these three options. Today, we are learning all about how to create a coupon code. Now, creating a coupon code is very beneficial for many reasons, but what's really nice about it is that you can share it with anyone you like, and you don't have to worry about prospective buyers finding or discovering that particular code. So that's only shareable to whoever you give it to, and they could use it. Now, the benefits of using a coupon code is that you could offer it to your social media followers as a discount on selected items if you want. You could also offer it to your newsletter subscribers, and you could have them spend more, right, by offering a coupon discount activated by a minimum order amount. So you could say, hey, you could get 20% off on your next purchase if you spend $50 or more. In addition to that, you could use it to bring back first-time buyers to buy from you a second time around by sending them a thank you coupon. And that's a great way to get a repeated customer, to get customers to be really happy with you, because now they purchased from you the first time, and now you offer them an incentive to buy from you again. So when you're ready to do it, all you need to do is click on Create Coupon, and it's going to give you these different options here. So the first one is, what would you like to offer your shoppers? And these are the three things that you could offer. You could do free standard shipping, you could have a percentage off, or you could do a fixed amount off. I usually do percentage off. So let's say I want to give 20% off. Now from here, it's going to ask me what minimum order do they have to buy to qualify it. I usually don't say, oh, they have to buy 3 products in order to get a discount. I usually either use none or order total. These are the two kind of the ones that I use. However, it's all about testing and seeing what's best for your actual store. So make sure that you try different things. So you could say none. So anything they buy in your store, they would get 20% off. You could choose quantity. So you could say they have to buy 2 items in order to receive 20% off. Or this is one of my special ones, is you could say they have to spend $50 in order to get the 20%. Now, this is the option that I was telling you guys for your first time buyers. You can actually click here, and this automatically sends a coupon to buyers 24 hours after you have completed their order. And this is for first time buyers. I highly recommend trying it out because it does get you continuous sales. Even if it's only 2 a month, 2 is better than 0. So it does help. Another thing you could do is right here is add the duration of the discount. So you could say, okay, I want a discount to start today, but I want it to end at the end of the month. I usually do till the end of the month, and then that way I don't forget to turn it off. It's really up to you. If it's working really well for you, I would just leave it at no end date. And then down here is where you will put the coupon code. So here you will say, try to make it fun, right? So it's easy to read. Grab your 20%, or you can make it shorter than this, obviously, too. So you could do that. And you could say, thank you, right? Just simply thank you, or thank you discount, or thank you 20. Some people do it that way. Once you're happy, all you need to do is review and confirm. Make sure that all of these details look good to you. And once you're happy with this is a coupon code that you will share with your social media followers, maybe your email list, or your first time buyers, which automatically sends out if you click on the check. And then this is a coupon, this is the link that you could share with others as well. You could send them this link as well. It's really up to you. Either one will work. If you send them the link, automatically they will have the discount. If you send them the coupon code, during checkout, they will have to put in that coupon code. Once you're happy here, everything looks good, just confirm and create discount. Now, I don't recommend offering discounts all of the time. I also don't recommend using it as a way to get sales because maybe you feel like, oh, I don't have any sales, let me discount it. Trust me, I've been there. It is not worth it losing so much on your products and services. It's better if you use this as a system. Maybe you use it for, okay, the person purchased from me the first time. Now I want to send them a coupon for their second purchase. That's more of a system in place that it will force that person most likely to come back and buy from you. However, if you're just offering discounts just to offer discount because you're having a rough month, I don't recommend offering discounts. I recommend better going back to your store, reviewing your store, seeing what exactly is happening, what do you need to fix, and working on that versus just offering discounts every single month. I hope that this tutorial was helpful in learning how to create an Etsy coupon. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.